so she feeling mad.
Turn it up, baby, you know what it is. Baby, to better reckon the kids. I'm a reckon the kids. I'm in the reckon. I mean, you know what it is. Baby, for us, I'm tired of rapping. I was trying to say goodbye and I choke. I try to walk away and I stumble. When I try to hide it, it's real. My words you are not there. You are nothing.
No.
You are nothing.
No, he says when you are not there.
You are nothing.
My world stumbles when you
are
are not.
nothing.
My world stumbles when you
You
are
are
not.
nothing.
My world. So yeah, we out here. Welcome to Microwave Boys. We in the motherfucking building.
Episode 33.
It's been a very long, dark
It's
week,
been-
and I know that Sipo is about to go the fuck in.
That's why it's so
That's why
quiet.
it's so quiet, because he's got so many things. When you see Sipo scratching, he said, "We shoot to the Tuesday."
No,
he decided to wear
Yeah.
all black,
All
right,
that airplane.
on the Tuesday, and the strike was on the Monday. So he's like literally going up against everything.
Episode 20.
33/3 season 2 3. We only do 3. Maybe don't cut my
Thursdays,
thing
3 of us.
because
Hit him with it. Hit him with it.
back by popular.
For those of you who don't know, we had a motherfucking dark week in South Africa.
Black.
So dark, a black.
It was
week.
black.
And it was a black Monday, and
I don't know about
it was against black people.
Oh, that rhymes.
I think it was in like episode 2 where we had an incident like this where we had to speak about racism. And it's one of those topics that we like absolutely hate speaking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if it happens, we gotta talk about it. It's got to go down.
Honestly.
And we are so sick and tired of you guys thinking that you can bring back a part of South Africa, which was totally terrible.
I feel like Samuel L. Jackson on Snakes on the Plane. I'm tired of these motherfucking racists in this motherfucking country. Honestly, I'm tired of. I mean, they were marching. They all came out in their buggies. All the buggies were out. All the Toyota buggies were out. They looked like a Toyota buggy festival. I didn't know it was Black Monday. I said, "Hey, it's Alana."
You said it was a what?
I said it was a white buggy festival. I said, hey, everyone, hey, some white buggies are out here.
Khaki festival.
Hey, man, I thought, hey, these guys are going to Kailami to race each other. Can't they? No, man.
Oh, God.
Miss Sunwe are blocking roads. They're protesting against, they're protesting against white farmers getting killed.
Yeah.
Apparently, it's an epidemic. It's genocide against the white farmers. All 17 of them that died this year. Let's focus on that. We must have a special unit, a special CSI unit to look into that and ignore the 20,000 black people that were killed in the past year. Yeah. Hey, la, white people, first of all, let me tell you something. La bora, boring, la bora.
It won't help the white people in South Africa, the white South Africans, to start shooting with guns. Forget it. Because they've got the army, they've got the police. We're gonna wait till big places came together, like on a soccer stadium. And then we're gonna blow the whole thing up. And 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 must die there. And that's how we're gonna do it.
Oh.
There's no other way. You can't go and try.
This is disgusting.
Yeah, but guys, you know, racists are so exhausting.
Okay, you must kill him.
We can't argue with people like this. They just need to go the fuck to jail
Yeah.
for saying shit like this.
Yeah.
You know, like in Germany, anyone who even makes Nazi jokes and the way that they treat people from Nazi Germany, there's like zero tolerance about it.
Yeah.
From a country that went through what they went through with Hitler. Here in Zanzi, we make excuses and we say, let's debate, let's talk, let's come together. Fuck coming together. I'm tired of that shit.
Yeah, no, it's like
Lock them all up. Any joke, any kafir, lock them all up.
Yeah, like those girls from UP.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't have time.
Oh my god.
I don't have time for that shit.
Ridiculous.
Like, black people, chill a little bit. White people who are against
Chill a lot.
who are against all those reasons, check your people.
Yeah.
Because we've been fighting this fight. That's how we got here today. So what are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Suddenly you don't have data.
In other crazy news, Omarion was in South Africa, guys.
Oh, was he?
Actually, we
What?
shouldn't get dragged into this. He came to Namibia.
Yeah.
He came to Namibia. Oh,
Omarion is like quarter to midget. He's like quarter to
so
midget.
tired. I don't know how he did it for Lil Saint.
Was he here for
I
the
was saying
remix
all I
of
wanted
the
to do,
song?
all I wanted to do was
I don't
ban
know how
them.
they did it for Lil Saint.
All I wanted to do was ban them, bro.
Was he here for the
That's how he greets people. He just
Anati
goes,
song remix?
Yeah. Yo.
What was he here
"Motherfucker,
for?
they're saying, China, if you don't put your hands down, boy." So there were
Up to this
17
guy.
people at the
How many?
Rand
He
show.
owns it,
17.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7 of
6,
them are his
7, 8, 9, 10.
entourage. 5 of them work at the event. And the other 5 are the ones.
Oh, I didn't see this. If you come close to me,
But
it
he
ain't
dares,
coming
Jim.
home because it costs to
He
me.
dares. He dares, chill.
I'm getting
He does.
vocal money because it's cost
He
to
dares.
me.
I'm sure he was dancing and crying at the same time. You don't think I'm close to me. I'm just really close.
That's embarrassing. Look at the one guy. He's
First
like,
of all, Namibia booked Omarion.
I blame
First
Anati.
mistake.
yeah, Namibians, what's going on? Dog? Omarion was like chilled in the club. Like no one, people just stopped like taking pictures.
so
and stuff.
small.
He's so. I told you, he's
I
quarter
want
to
to put him in a
midget.
little box.
Oh,
Every
just
time I want
do
someone
more.
to cram for me, I
Oh,
open the box.
Omarion.
Is he
I
shorter
open the
than
box, I say,
me?
cram.
Yeah.
And he crams, cram. And I close the box and I put it back in my wardrobe.
One of our rappers doesn't know how to use the social media clearly, like very clearly. MT's penis wasn't even leaked.
Hey, what the
It wasn't even leaked. He showed it himself, dog.
What the fuck, dog?
What the fuck, dog? You know what I'm saying?
No.
I hope you
Trap
didn't-
life, nigga. Don't show us his
Okay.
fucking penis.
Yes, so bad. Yeah. He said, I hope you guys didn't see my G
Yeah, he said.
by accident. Hope you didn't see my G.
Afterwards, he's like,
Wait, how did you say it? How did you say it?
Hey, I hope you guys didn't see my D. You're tripping. I didn't want to show you my D. You're tripping. Anyways, all the haters. Everybody is just hating on the boy. Some D from my Daniela. I hope you got Manando. Also, I'm not very impressed with all the dick shaming that happened on the TL. If a girl wants to drop a titty out there and we spend the entire day screwing her with the
Exactly.
titty, that titty
Don't
is
get too
looking...
deep with it.
just because he's like
We just
this,
want the new news.
just
Yeah.
because.
I'm just saying, if that was the case, then it'd be bad.
So can MT say, girl, bring your ruler? Guys,
Maybe a protractor.
no! She's not gonna get that leg. Cardi B just got engaged, guys. Oh, congratulations, Cardi B.
Cardi B got engaged.
Yeah, to Offset.
After
But when Offset got back from South Africa, he
What?
had to say baby. Yo, I don't know no thing. I don't.
It's a beautiful... The first couple of trap, Offset was on there going... Offset.
Woo.
And he said, you know what? Fuck it, I feel like getting married.
Blah.
Fuck it. Then he said, skirt.
the guys-
Hey. And Quavo was in the back going, skirt.
That's what I wanted to ask because the Migos niggas said doing ad-libs.
And
Yo,
I was like,
Cardi.
Quavo, not the fuck now, dog. The
Will you
fucking
marry
words.
me? Skirt.
This I don't
They
know.
get me years.
This is trap love. And I mean, they kind of suit each other. They do. They
Yeah.
suit each other. So like the
they-
old trap one that we had where it was like Future and Sierra, and then that didn't go well.
So, Pitso Msimani, right? He's very well known. He's a Sundowns coach. He's very well known for his outbursts. He always goes off. And he's had enough, guys.
Pitso's blamed.
He's literally had enough.
Because
So-
so many things.
Yo,
The grass. Yeah, the grass.
Ah.
When we got there, I said, usually we're used to
The grass.
1 centimeter grass.
But the grass was
And I saw when I got there, no, this is 1.75.
Yeah, no, true.
And I said, okay, man, it's fine. Mark, tell you a disc. And then now you see.
When you lose, they'll be like,
Pitso,
Like
like,
yes,
you know,
when our coach used to say, I picked the right team, the weather was fine, and then still didn't come home and deliver.
This team, really, really tough to beat. And they gave you absolutely no wiggle room from the get-go. They were playing that pressing game.
Yeah, you're right. They played the pressing game.
What he was thinking is, I don't know if I left the geyser on or off. I don't know if I left the geyser on or off. Or maybe he's like an absent father and he's thinking, did I pick it up from school? Or is she still there? Or did I forget to PVR Papa Penny? I think I didn't. No, I didn't PVR Papa Penny. Fucking shit.
Yeah, it's like, no.
Hey, Carol, yeah, I know, they'll play a dressing game.
No, even the comeback was like, no. Yeah, you're right. Back straight into it, I know you guys are wondering how there's a fourth person. Here's our nigga Tyson. Like, here's our home.
He looks like a Tyson. Look at his, he's strong on the guy.
What does a Tyson look like?
Look, come, let's compare. Steve compare.
It's the boy Tai. So Tyson came to visit us, all the way from
Morocco.
We used to go with him all the time. And
Hattiesburg, Mississippi.
What?
Hattiesburg,
Dallas.
Mississippi. 601.
You know what-
Yeah, Hasburg, Mississippi. You know how we do.
Yeah,
601.
Wait in the water.
Okay, first of all, what do you like most about South African women?
I just like South African women attitudes.
Okay, how many girls have you smashed?
Hottie of the week, Tiffany Lizzie. You know, I'm back in the States.
Yeah.
Still rocking with my guys.
You know
how you got how you get the suggestions for friends?
Yeah.
This little thing popped up. Why would I not add her?
That is the question.
Why would I not?
So you're telling me
Do
Tyson
you
is
see
only here for Hottie of the Week because he knows the hottest people in South
He
Africa.
literally flew here all the way.
To check out.
I just came from Prague, Czech Republic, you know.
I
ain't gonna say I can't.
Shout out to the Czech Republicans.
Czech Republicans, what's up, baby? I used to work with this girl at Cardi, bro.
But
Oh.
you work with that.
Hey, you know, y'all heard the song Bad Things, Bad Things. You heard the song?
I would only do bad things.
To her. Guys, I love. Look at the under lip.
That look,
You know
look,
girls
look,
who got
look.
this on.
Look. I wish they could zoom in right now.
Look at the bottom lip, son.
Hey, what you doing?
Ah!
I get lost in those Cremora eyes.
That's it. That's
Hey, go back to the joint with the Adidas tracksuit on.
So shout out to my nigga Tyson. We out here with him the whole week. So if you see,
Yeah,
us, you're not gonna see him. And that brings us to this part of the show.
But I gotta let everybody in SA know that my name is not Ricky. My handle on every social media site is Ricky Fontaine.
Yeah.
However, my name is Tyson.
America! America!
They probably understand, bro. They probably
What?
They probably understand.
Spaka.
Sparkle.
I
love how you say my name. My name is Spaka.
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 Spaka, the bald man.
Spaka.
They want the shampoo, boy, 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 shampoo. They want the shampoo, boy, shampoo, boy, shampoo, boy, shampoo, boy, shampoo, boy, shampoo, boy, shampoo, shampoo. Always want the man, child of food, man,